Hello friends, in today's video, I'll be talking about what is mobile first design, why is it so important, and the 5 key elements of mobile first web design. Before I start, just one request, please subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon for similar UX informative videos. There are more than 2 billion people, or you can say 51% of global population access the internet through smartphones. And as estimated by 2025, that number is expected to jump to more than 75%. So if you are not designing for mobile, you and your users are in trouble. That's why mobile first design is a great way to start to employ for all digital products like your websites, your mobile apps. So now let's see what is mobile first design. Mobile first design is a philosophy that aims to create better user experience for the users by starting the design process from smallest screen like mobile, not from the desktop. Designing and prototyping your website for mobile devices first helps you ensure that your users experience seamless on any device. Mobile design is more limited. After all, you're designing for a smaller screen and you can only fit the important elements into it. That means you choose only what's most important, what your users need the most, while ignoring everything else. As you expand your design, you can provide them with other elements which you have not provided in the mobile, but you know exactly what you need to bring that. Why is mobile design important? It's just a matter of numbers. These are projected to be more than 3.5 billion mobile users by 2021, according to Statista. That means the majority of people are using their phones to find the content they need. There's a big need for mobile-friendly websites out there. So it's our job as designers to supply for your users. First design helps to provide better user experience on portable devices, use phones' built-in features, save the money you would spend building more expensive solutions such as mobile apps, help users focus on core content, increase reach and visibility, provide easy navigation. Now let's see the 5 key elements of mobile first web design. The first one is place your users at the forefront of your design. That means the first thing to do even before the process of designing a website for mobile begins with research and identifying your users' pain points. The second step is to determine what user flow or what user journeys to implement in your mobile first website. Second one, establish the proper visual hierarchy. When creating a content for mobile first website, you should always make sure that the content is concise and to the point as much as possible. Third key element is keep your website minimal and simple. Simple and minimal design is always better in web design. It improves the clarity of content and focuses users' attention on what matters the most. Fourth one is make the CTAs and the other mobile elements consistent and upfront. And the last important key element of mobile first web design is to work on your site's loading speed. Research shows that visitors will leave a website if it takes more than 3 seconds to fully load. So just to summarize, always keep one thing in mind whenever you start designing. First, keep the mobile first design approach in your mind. This is what you need to do as a designer. Yeah, so that's it guys for today's video. I hope I tried to explain in very simple examples that would help you to clear your concepts. If you guys have any questions, any queries or any comments, please mention in the below comment box. And if you like my video, please hit the like. And if you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe. Take care. Bye. See you in the next video.